Hello, I'm Maiko. Today we're making Lomo Mechado. It's stuffed pork tenderloin, quintessential Mexican, very popular, especially for holidays and weddings. Pork loin, about 6 pieces of bacon, green olives, peated prunes, 1 red bell pepper, about 5 garlic cloves, 1 fresh pineapple or a can of pineapple, a large white onion, yellow mustard, and some cotton twine to tie it. First, our filling. Knife it slightly at an angle. With a very sharp knife at one of the ends of your pork loin, we're going to make a line and we're going to cut that line all the way to the other end and leave about an inch. It's about an inch here, an inch there. So then the easiest way, I go to the other side and I do the same. Small incisions, and eventually my 2 ends will meet and I have like a tunnel. This is my mother's recipe and it's very affordable and super delicious. It's very popular in Mexico for Christmas, New Year's, weddings. I have a larger opening on the other side. At the middle, you go like this a couple of times. Sure. And then you can go lengthwise. There's several ways to do this correctly. I'm sure I'm not doing it exactly 100%, but it works for me. Here it goes. Onion to the bottom. 6 garlic cloves. Second garlic. More onion, more garlic. Actually, I'm going to add the rest of my onion. Yellow mustard. Remove the top and the bottom, and then it's flat, and then you just go with a serrated knife around the skin. Then there's a core in the middle, and I just go straight down on each side. Adding the pineapple to the pot. My oven has been preheating at 325. I'm ready to make that sauce. So I remove the pork loin and I tinted it light, large sieve. After it starts to boil, I'm going to simmer and let it reduce for about 10 minutes. It's at slices of about an inch to an inch and a half. See? You can see